Hey, this is Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations, and it is end of February 2024. What does that mean? It is referral bonus draw time. Referrals are the lifeblood of Sprucehill. We value your referrals so very much. We know there are so many options out there and that people choose to trust us with their friends and their acquaintances' projects means the world to myself and the rest of the team. So massive amounts of thanks to everybody who's referred business to us over the past year. For now, let's get into our draw. We do a $2,500 giveaway every year, and this year, let's find out who is going to be the lucky winner of $2,500 just for saying Sprucehill. All right. Drum roll, please. Let's get this thing spinning. Round and round she goes. Where she stops, no one will know. And James, you know who you are, and if you don't, I know who you are. Congratulations on winning $2,500. I'll be in touch with you later this morning to let you know that you have won $2,500. Thank you so much for your referral, and thank you to everybody else who's referred business to us over the past year. Okay, here we are. We have done our referral draw, and now let's phone the lucky winner. One sec here. Get on speakerphone.
Eric, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I am calling to inform you that we have just recently done our annual referral draw, and your name got selected on the Wheel of Fortune, and you are the lucky recipient of $2,500. What do you think?
That's pretty sweet. So this is we referred you to the job for our friends Upper Lonsdale.
Yep, you got it.
Oh, no way. So I'm going to have to take them out for lunch or dinner, or who do I take out for dinner?
You do what you want, buddy. It's your money.
Well, that's pretty cool. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah.
I know that they told me that they were going for it and that they chose to go with Sprucehill, so that's awesome. I was happy to hear that.
Yeah.
And I guess work starts over there in the next couple of weeks or months.
I think we have some design work to do before we get started there, but yeah. I can't even remember when we're meeting with them to go. I think it's a kitchen renovation, if memory serves me correct.
Well, hey, I didn't even know there was a referral fee.
Well, it's not a fee. It's not a fee per se. It's just
spin the wheel type thing. I'd never heard of this, but that's great.
Annual Wheel of Fortune. So $2,500 will be written every year. Yep, will be written out to you, sir, and I just want to say thanks for the continued support and for being awesome.
Right on, man. Well, that's fantastic. I appreciate that. I'm sure it'll work out. Great. John and Michelle are awesome people, and it sounds like it's going to be a pretty cool project.
Wonderful. All right. Well, thanks again for your time and for the referral, dude. Appreciate it.
All right, Eric. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks, man. Cheers.
Cheers. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
And there you go. That's how you do it. Thanks to the referrals, everybody.